What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be taking a break for gadgets review and we'll be reviewing here and unboxing this Adidas Courtic Refit shoe. So the main reason why I purchased this because I need a shoe since we'll be traveling here in Taiwan. So we'll be using this shoe a lot, most probably for walking, especially since we'll be doing a lot of um, visiting sites there, like any tourist spots there. So it costs around 5,900 pesos and it shows here the name is Courtic. Although in online it shows here that the name here is Court Refit. So anyway, so the box here is just a regular blue Adidas box as you can see here. And of course because it does have that white stripes as usual. And then, without any further ado, let's try to take out the shoes out of its box. So, here it is. Damn, it really looks clean and beautiful. So, it is a court inspired silhouette with a retro classic look. So, as you can see, this is a white and gray colorway with a little bit of olive green on the stripes. So its upper part is made of suede and also leather. Although as per checking here on the description, it is I think either a recycled leather. It really looks good and feels premium in the hand, especially on this suede part and also the leather part here. On the tang here, there's Adidas logo and it's a little bit padded, though it's not a lot. And as you can see, there's also this rubber sole, just a typical Adidas rubber sole, although it does have a little bit height on it, which is good especially for walking since we'll be using it a lot for walking. So as per checking here on the description, this is a remix retro court style made in part recycled content. So, what you get if you mix a basketball attitude, skater edge, and clean aesthetic retro fitness style? So, you're looking at it as per checking here. That's what the description here in Adidas website. Well, actually, it is. So, I really like here its style. It's a combination of forum with a little bit of samba and a little bit of superstar shoes. So they try to remix all of them and this is what they got. So what I like here as well is it's very stylish and you can pair it with different kind of pants like office pants, baggy pants, skinny jeans. You can also pair it with jeans and also shorts, especially with this very clean looking white colorway. So this is here with these two shoes. You can see here this profile on its sides there. Really looks good here, and it's yes, it's like a new style, but a little bit retro since it's a combination of normal Adidas shoes. So for its comfort and fit, comfort is just fine. These generally run true to size, but as many court style shoes, fit can a little feel snug at first. If you have particularly wide feet, consider trying them first. It's a little bit narrow in the middle part, but once it is breaking, it is fine. It is comfortable in my daily wear experience, and since it does have enough cushioning for walking and errands and light all day usage, so it suits daily activities here. It does have padded collar and tongue that added comfort, and overall feel is pleasant after a few wears. For everyday usage, like for commuting, walking, and like in casual weekends, this holds up well. And I've used it on our Taiwan trip recently, and we have done a lot of walking literally, and it held up pretty good as well. It's really comfortable shoe for walking, especially once break in. The upper material holds up really well as well. The sole traction is good, and it should last for several years if not really push hard. As with many court-inspired sneakers, these not performance shoes, okay? If you're planning to use it for sports or high-intensive workouts, you might need to look for Adidas performance models instead. So for its pros and cons, so let's start with its pros. So first, it does have stylish and versatile design that you can use the shoes and wear it every day. Second is it's very comfortable with its cushioning for long walks and casual usage. And third, it does have good quality build without feeling cheap. For its cons, it's not built for intense sports or high intensity workouts. And second, fit can slightly narrow for some users, so sizing up might help. And third, lifestyle cushioning isn't supportive as a dedicated running or court shoes. So if you're looking for a comfortable, stylish lifestyle sneaker that doesn't look every other shoe on the block, the Adidas Courtic Refit is a strong choice. So it's especially good if your priority is just daily wear and casual versatility, rather than the athletic performance. So that is my review of this Adidas Court Refit. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Peace out.